welcome back to my channel. So I totally did this random distressed faux locks look with this passion twist hair I got from XTrends hair. I'm gonna leave their link in the description below, and they are on Amazon. And they gave me this beautiful hair and I was pleasantly surprised. It's nothing like beauty supply store hair. It comes with a bunch of trinkets. It comes with 6 packs. This color is T30. So it's like a dark, like gold. It's nice. I just really love it. And I'm gonna do a full tutorial on how to achieve these locks. So keep watching. I have a very detailed tutorial, and like and subscribe to my channel because I definitely have more content for you. Okay, let's get started. Like I said before, you're gonna grab 2 strands of your passion twist hair from XTrends, or whichever passion twist hair you have. It's just water wave. Poof it out, make it poofy, separate it, detangle it. I twist it up so I can get it through my braid and my crochet hook comfortably and pull it through. Check the length. I want short hair, so it doesn't need to be the exact length. You're gonna like twist it back up anyway. And then you're gonna wrap your base of your hair like maybe 4 or 5 times tight because you just want it to look tight. After that, you can loosen up because it's just gonna be like, I'm not gonna say it's gonna be a sloppy look, but it's just gonna be like a little sloppy look, like a little distressed lock look. So just keep twisting it. I use my thumb to make bumps in the lock, so you can do that as many times as you want. When you get to the bottom, you're going to basically twist it back up. So you don't have to cut it or wrap anything. You're just gonna twist it back up and start wrapping up until the rest of the hair ends. And that can be like the same length as your lock. It doesn't matter. It's gonna look really good afterwards, see? Yeah. And here I'm just going over it again with you. Okay, so to get the extra distressed look, you're gonna wrap the hair around your thumb, and you're gonna do this loosely. You're gonna actually wrap the whole braid around loosely, but when you want those extra bumps in it, just wrap it around your thumb, like straight up. Also, again, when you get to the bottom at the length that you want it to be, you're gonna start wrapping upwards. So just flip the bottom of the hair up, you're gonna make a little circle, and you're just gonna wrap it up until it ends, like so. At this point, you're basically done. But y'all know me, I gotta hit my edges because they look real crazy to me right now. So I'm gonna go ahead and use my hicks, smooth that out, slick them, and then I'll be done. All right, y'all, thank you so much for watching. Here is the finished look with the little sun so you can see the whole thing real bright and in HD with no filter. Thank you again for watching. Like and subscribe.